Council of Ministers. The Chief Minister and his team of ministers forms the Council of Ministers. The Secretariat of the Council of Ministers of Rajasthan government is in Jaipur. Every minister in the ministry is assisted by a secretary. These secretaries are bureaucrats who make all necessary information available to their ministers and assist him in taking decisions. Sessions of Legislative Assembly. 3 sessions of the Legislative Assembly are held in a year in a state. In the state of Rajasthan, these sessions are held in the Assembly Hall of Jaipur. The President, that is Speaker, and the Vice President, that is Deputy Speaker, of this Assembly are chosen by the MLAs through mutual decision. Functions and powers of the Legislative Assembly. The Legislative Assembly formulates laws on subjects listed in the state list and the concurrent list. It supervises and coordinates the works of various departments. It presides over the meetings of the Council of Ministers, State Legislature, Vidhan Sabha or Legislative Assembly, Vidhan Parishad or Legislative Council. Members are elected directly by the people of the state by a secret ballot. 2 members from the Anglo-Indian community are nominated by the governor. 1/3 members are elected by the State Legislative Assembly. 1/3 members are elected by the local bodies. 1/6 are nominated by the governor. 1/12 are elected by teachers. 1/12 are elected by registered graduates. State Legislature. The major function of a legislature is to formulate laws. Rajasthan has a unicameral legislature, that is, one house of legislature called the Legislative Assembly. 7 states, namely Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana have bicameral legislatures. The other house of the legislature is called the State Legislative Council. Assembly election area. In Rajasthan, the state is divided into 200 areas or zones. Every such area is called Assembly election area, and the voters cast their votes to elect their representatives from their area. There is a reservation of 34 areas for the scheduled castes and 25 areas for the scheduled tribes. Members of the Legislative Assembly. One elected representative from the respective area is called the member of the Legislative Assembly. The maximum number of MLAs in the Rajasthan Legislative Assembly is 200. Any person who is an Indian citizen, 25 years of age or more, has not been declared bankrupt and has not been convicted in a criminal case can contest the elections for becoming an MLA. Sessions of Legislative Assembly. There should be at least 3 sessions of the State Assembly in a year. In Rajasthan, these sessions are held in the Assembly Hall in Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan. The MLAs choose one member as the President or Speaker and another as Vice President or Deputy Speaker by mutual decision. Powers and functions of the State Assembly. Legislative powers. The state legislature has got the power of making laws on the subjects of the state list and the concurrent list. In this connection, the real law-making powers are in the hands of the Legislative Assembly. It can also amend or abolish the existing laws. Apart from this, it also participates in the amendment of some parts of the Constitution. Financial powers. Money bills can only be introduced in the Legislative Assembly. The Legislative Assembly exercises complete control over the finances of the state. The government can levy taxes on the public only after the budget has been passed in the Assembly. The governor cannot refuse to give his assent to the money bill. During emergency, limitation can be imposed on the financial powers of the governor. Executive powers. The state executive is responsible to the Legislative Assembly for all its actions and policies. The leader of the majority party in the Legislative Assembly is appointed as the Chief Minister of the state. Most of the ministers are taken from the Legislative Assembly. The members of the Legislative Assembly can ask questions from the ministers and they are to give satisfactory answers to these questions. The Legislative Assembly can reject an important bill of the cabinet by decreasing the salary of the ministers or by passing a vote of no confidence against the ministry to remove it from office. Electoral functions. The members of the Legislative Assembly participate in the election of the President of India. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected by the state legislature. It elects its own speaker and deputy speaker. They also elect their president and vice president. State. Legislative Assembly. Non-permanent House elected for 5 years. Legislative Council. Permanent House 1/3 members retire every second year. Speaker or Deputy Speaker. Chairman or Deputy Chairman. Members of Legislative Assembly, that is MLAs. Members of Legislative Council, that is MLC. Formation and powers of the Legislative Councils. The Legislative Council is the second house of the legislature. This is a permanent house. 1/3 of its members retire at the end of every 2 years. The Legislative Council consists of a minimum 40 members. The Legislative Council can propose amendments in the ordinary bills and can delay the process of approval, but it cannot propose financial budget. Presently, there is no Legislative Council in Rajasthan, making it a unicameral legislature. Judiciary. The judiciary takes care that the public should observe and follow all enforced laws. It is independent of the executive and the legislative. The Supreme Court is the apex court in India. Every state has its highest court of justice, the High Courts. Rajasthan has its High Court in Jodhpur. One of its benches is also in Jaipur. The High Court solves disputes based on between the citizens of the state, between the citizens and the state government, appeal against the decisions of the subordinate courts. High Court's jurisdiction. Original. Violation of fundamental rights. Matters related to state elections. Appellate. Appeal against